Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Well, for a woman that has said I'm writing off this year's growing season, I haven't told the plants that. So I've been out and picked some things today. Those turnip seeds that you saw me planting several months ago, I've now got turnips. My apple tree, they're eating apples, brilliant. I picked a load of those that were ready to come off the tree, and I'm going to dehydrate those. For the first time ever, I've had a picking of pears, and normally I get one or two little small ones, and these are a lot bigger, but I haven't got many, so I'll probably just eat these and not preserve them. I picked some of the red currants. I'm late picking them. They're also late being ready, and I'll wash them off, freeze them, pick some more, wash them, freeze them, and they're going to be for my next batch of red currant jelly. The other day I harvested my plums, and they've been sitting in the bottom of the fridge because I can't decide what to do with them, because I've still got some plum jam left from last year. So I'm just going to wash them off and freeze them, I think. And this is sort of a harvest. I picked some elderflowers back in June and made some elderflower champagne. You can see all the fizzies. So I've got a glass of champagne to help me prepare all these. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation. Swear the bad-nosed bears pour me a bag of temptation. Swear the